Tori ya Nyansiongo nigo litkolia lero batware gikaro ky'omweli obumwaka asokumulikira obukoleri bwabo okwana omunyakerego Daniel Otuto nigo aerera obukoleri obya animono asensemo ye bonus chinga ky'obwego muteneni kura asensemo ya KTDA Thedius Moses nigo abagakoli eirabuna guchaka omwaka ogocha niga bali mibara chikomenterwa e bonus wika chishiringi emerongebere asekera ekiro mulikito Job Maangi norobotyoro
Buna enchera moyo gusanga n'abalimi igoro y'obukoreri bwabo nigo Tea Factory ao kigendetse kwaligania ebikaro by'omweli bw'omwaka ase factory ya Nyansiongo baligania egeikaro lituko lya lero.
Tea prices there was an increase, and you know what attributes the increase in prices is due to the dollar and also the price of the tea in the auction.
Omoyega unigora uno munyakerego we factory yu Daniel Otuto na goikera nunabara ikurwa sekyombe ya KTDA Kenya Tea Board of Kenya ababwatani kurwa se ebyombe bigosira abalemi na boigo abalemi munyakerogo we factory yu Daniel Otuto nigate abanigo bakolete buye asibese chokona nuche bonus kulende mbaterete amakongu make buna abalemi koleta echai ase ekerengo egeke Chisegi astinse chisiko ekiretse oboni bwechae koira nanse namakongu ande.
In green leaf payment and dividends, farmers receive an initial payment of 20 and a final payment of 36.5 shillings, and that was an increase of 9 shillings and 50 cents. So we had 16,995,588 kilos. That was a 6.17% decline. And we know what happened because of the external factors that we had that brought that decline in the production. So when we go to the land investment losses, the forensic audit report, which was done by the government directive, had disclosed that due diligence had not been exercised.
Naine kebuna mberuete kwene kebuno mulemi nkonyorale engelia engiya ya bonus asibara chikomenta kera umulemi chibesa babere bagwakana asekera ekiro kurwa semerongo ebere oika emerongo ebere na inye.
Kwa hivyo support tunaishukuru sana na tuendelee hii mwaka, ingawa tumelipa 5650 mwaka ulioisha. Hii mwaka tunatarajia kufanya vizuri zaidi. Kwa sababu ya kazi nzuri, tumepata advice kutoka the group finance director. Tukamuuliza, hii miaka 3 tumemaliza, tunaweza ongeza bei ya majani ya kila mwezi? Na nataka niko na furaha kuambia alituruhusu, na wakati nilipata madirectors wangu wote wa zone hapo Kisii and Nyamira, tukaahidi kutoka tarehe 1 mwezi wa Januari kila mwezi unalipa 24 shillings kwa kilo ambayo unaleta.
Ken Kaburi kurwa se Tea Board of Kenya natebi abalimi mbaligochi wanchira mulemi onde bwensi kobase e factory wetania eyemo.
Ukiandikisha mara 3 hatutaki. Utajiandikisha na factory moja na utakaa hapo. Ukijiandikisha na factory 2, 3 hiyo itakushweka remedi 6 osimioni sana oze bote. Niwono mbereseka hapo no mutete kuigubia.
Nigo liberera nena lya baligotira ase omugikare kukyo mweli bw'omwaka kolende engana yabagikugayanwa no murobero yukogendera bunoganeirie. Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.